Coke.
Babe, that was my favorite thing to do. I get done playing with you and I go back Coke. I miss the Cokes.
Miss the Coke
Babe.
here? Bottle? Like this? This is 1 liter, babe. That is 1 liter.
I really miss those Cokes. They're good. They're amazing. They're cold.
You buy on the neighbor, right? You know already to buy, babe. Mini store.
How much you think I spent? How much you think I spent on Cokes when I was there?
You spend $50, I think, in one day. Just for the Coke. Every time, every minute, Coke. Don't know.
I know. You get mad at me like, drink so much Coke.
You never drink. You never drink water. Babe, try to drink water, please.
Oh, I wish I had that Coke right now. Yeah, that's so good.
Yes, very cold, babe.
I know. That's what makes it good. Coldness.
The Coke in the fast food is different, babe. There's lots of ice. They put a lot of ice, right? It's not pure.
Right.
Yeah. What did you order?
I ordered a chicken bowl.
Chicken bone?
Yeah.
Try to eat rice, babe. Babe.
No rice. No rice, babe.
A little bit fried rice like that. Like what I do.
Rice here.
The one I make, the restaurant is there. You showed me before. They put usually egg, fried rice with egg, onion, cucumber, what else?
Yeah, but that's... Orange juice.
Wow, good boy, daddy. Very.
Thank you. I've never had one of these, babe.
Which one? Show me.
What I ordered. I don't know if it's any good or not. Hold on, babe. I gotta drive.